This mobile app is more than a parking, booking or payment app. It has integrated with company's comprehensive AI features that can enhance efficiency for each stakeholder, from long-term car park users to parking management. Our AI system can provide real-time occupancy data of each garage or road section and is able to navigate driver to the closest available space. This system can provide the parking authority with real-time alerts with precise geolocation of any misuses such as unauthorized entry, illegal parking at the gates or dedicated space for others, prolonged use of charging stations, large-sized vehicles exceeding the maximum height and more. Every user can download the parking app and register one or more vehicles as well as their credit, debit card details for payment. The system will provide help the ad hoc car park user as follows. 1. Show them a map of available spaces in the neighborhood. 2. For a car park, it allows them to pre-book with their license plate number with immediate payment. The spot would be released after 15 minutes for a no-show. 3. Navigate them to the chosen car space. 4. Select different payment types and earn points upon payment for frequent users. They can also purchase points in advance. All payment can be verified with transaction details. 5. Extend the parking time on the app without the need to go to the car. Point 6. Send reminders 15 minutes prior to the expiration, allowing the driver to extend the time if necessary. 7. Keep a history of all past parking sessions, enabling users to view or download receipts for their records, including payments and points. Rather than having meter readers checking whether vehicles have paid for their parking, the system will read the plate numbers as they enter the designated parking spots on the street. The plate numbers will also be read as they leave the parking spot, and the appropriate parking fee will be charged accordingly. Vehicles that have stayed longer than what they have paid will be penalized if the drivers do not self-register or make further payment for their parking. The system is able to ignore the vehicles that are just passing through the street without parking. The system is smart enough to know if vehicles turn into side streets or park in private car parks or driveways, in which case they would not be charged.